Welcome to the Cookbook Kitchen, the home of cookbook recipes with me, Carol. Karibu sana. And today we are having an interesting recipe. Yes, why am I calling it? Why am I saying this? Okay, first, let me show you where the book we are using to cook today. We are going to use a Plum Paradox Cookbook by Dr. Gandry. And now, let me tell you first why I think it's an interesting recipe. Number one, this will be the first time in my life I've ever cooked this thing for that long. Number two, this will be the first time in my life I've ever cooked this thing with so many things, so many spices, a lot of ingredients. When I cook this thing, I usually spice it with with some salt and some black pepper, and I'm done. Or I throw in some bell pepper and some coriander. Whoa, the list here. It's long. Thirdly, this will be the first time I'm eating it or I'm cooking it with avocado inside in one pot. Dr. G. Let's try this out. So, what am I cooking? I'm cooking scrambled eggs with avocado. Yes, scrambled eggs with avocado. From the Plum Paradox Cookbook. There's no picture, so I can't show you the picture. So let's continue. This is dry basil, onion powder, some pepper, some salt, some paprika, and some cayenne pepper over here, and the avocado that has gone to group of schools. Then some onions and our eggs. Our pan is ready. We're going to put some olive oil. Then we put our onion over here, the salt, our paprika. Now this is where I'm saying this is the longest I've ever cooked anything with eggs, or I've cooked eggs. My friends, this thing needs to cook for around 20 minutes. So the heat should be medium. You need to cook it for around 20 minutes or until the onions have lightly caramelization over here, So as we wait for our onions, due to prepare the egg mixture, we have our eggs over here. Then we've been told we put a dash, just a small dash of salts, our pepper, our onion powder, our basil, our cayenne pepper. Then we mix well. Mix well. Once you're done with mixing, now we go to avocado, telling you when to eat in a group of schools. Cut into small squares. There we go. Then you slightly stir it in. Then we shall pour this into our onion mixture. In we go. Going to cook it until you reach your desired taste or texture, whatever. I love my eggs well done, so they have to be cooked well. Now guess what? How do you like your eggs? Let me know in the comment section. There we go. Our eggs are ready. Oh, it's smelling amazing. So let's hope it is. Let's hope it tastes nice. Wow. So for the 20 minutes onion whatever, cooking the onions for 20 minutes, I think I cooked mine for around 5 to 6 minutes, I think. I think my onions were lightly caramelized, as the book says. So time to taste and see. Here's our mixture. We're going to taste it directly from our skillet, like why not? I need some eggs and some avocado inside there. Whoa, look at that. Look at that. So here we go. Oh my God. Let me taste the cooked. Pomolo. Let me taste the cooked avocado first. The avocado taste is still there. And the avocado taste nice, so from group of schools. So whoa, another one. It's hot. Wow. Whoa. I am sold. I am absolutely surprised. This is surprisingly nice. I think I'll just finish this one here in the kitchen by myself. Whoa, I'm surprised. It's worth the mini spices and the cooking time. It smells nice, and I think it's not the cooking time for the onions doesn't have to be 20 minutes, because mine was around 5 to 7 minutes and my onions were ready. So that's it for now. New way of making eggs 101.